Happy. She is very happy today. She is very happy today.
Sad.
He felt sad after the movie. He felt sad after the movie. Big. That is a big house. That is a big house. Small. This is a small cat. This is a small cat. Hot. The tea is too hot. The tea is too hot. Cold. The ice cream is cold. The ice cream is cold. Fast. The car is very fast. The car is very fast. Slow. The turtle is slow. The turtle is slow. Tall. The tree is tall. The tree is tall. Short. The pencil is short. The pencil is short. Long. The river is long. The river is long. Short. The meeting was short. The meeting was short. Heavy. The box is heavy. The box is heavy. Light. The feather is light. The feather is light. Bright. The sun is bright. The sun is bright. Dark. The room is dark. The room is dark. Loud. The music is loud. The music is loud. Quiet. The library is quiet. The library is quiet. Clean. The kitchen is clean. The kitchen is clean. Dirty. The shoes are dirty. The shoes are dirty. Easy. The test was easy. The test was easy. Hard. The rock is hard. The rock is hard. Soft. The pillow is soft. The pillow is soft. New. She bought a new dress. She bought a new dress. Old. That is an old book. That is an old book. Young. The boy is young. The boy is young. Wet. The towel is wet. The towel is wet. Dry. The desert is dry. The desert is dry. Strong. He is very strong. He is very strong. Weak. She felt weak after the flu. She felt weak after the flu. Sweet. The cake is sweet. The cake is sweet. Sour. The lemon is sour. The lemon is sour. Mean. The dog is mean. The dog is mean. Brave. The soldier is brave. The soldier is brave. Scared. The child is scared. The child is scared. Rich. He is a rich man. He is a rich man. Poor. The family is poor. The family is poor. Busy. The street is busy. The street is busy. Free. The seat is free. The seat is free. Open. The door is open. The door is open. Closed. The shop is closed. The shop is closed. Full. The glass is full. The glass is full.